Welcome to the doghouse, y'all. Figured I'd turn this thing around and talk to you instead of talking behind the camera. Well, we got my Forgotten Friday. This one here has been forgotten a little while. It was an interesting project when I started it. I had an Alps printer. I wanted to do decals, so I started doing the car too at the same time. I was selling the decals at one time. This thing's been sitting around for a while. I've thought about sending it to somebody else and let them finish it. It's Moody's Garage 55 Chevrolet flip nose. So here we go, buddy. I want to turn the camera around, let you check it out. There it is. I started this thing, I don't know, 07, 08, something like that. It sat around so long. It has sat around so long that the tires have eat into the wheel backs. They just about plumb fell off of it there. I got to where I was trying to flip the nose and I kind of give up. It wouldn't be too hard to do. I don't know why I ain't never finished it. I've thought about just sending it to somebody else and let them finish it. The interior's done. Then sprayed some chalk paint to do the lower, put some gauges on the dash. Little A-body seats, seat belt on the driver's side. Looks like the engine of the Nova kit's what it looks like. That's about the best small block it is out of the 66 Nova. There's some Hillborn. It wouldn't take much to do it. It's a race car, but my holdup was the rear wheels and flipping the nose. I don't think I ever found the right rear wheel. It's got 3/4 ton hubs on the rear of it. I found the Cal Custom scoop. I think that was out of the Revell 55, 56, 57. One of them with the opening doors. This is one of those. I think the Atlantis is getting ready to do the 57. It'll have that scoop in it probably. No ladder bars, radiators made. No, comes off. I don't know if it'll work yet. I ain't got none of that set up. That's one of them that really needs. It's a cool looking car. It's got if you read about it, it's got a lot of good. It still holds some records, I think. I don't remember. I know it did in 1965. It was the world champion. There ain't nothing like it in a old straight axle 55. This is AMT. That's the AMT body. It's a saddle. I think it was. I think I just used some on that Buick. The color was off of a 65 Impala. I think it's what me and old Dave Dodge at MCW. I think that's what he researched and found. But it's a cool looking car. There's plenty of pictures out there on the internet of the restored car. All right, guys. I'm also working on the Assemblers Unite group build. I got everything laying back there. Got all the wheels and tires together, everything painted. That's what I'm currently trying to finish up. I'm gonna try to finish that up this weekend. All right then, you always remember what the Cato said. There I go repeating myself again. Be happy and model on.